In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Maps satellite view. If you've ever wanted to see real-world imagery instead of the default simplified map, the satellite view is the fastest way to do it on a computer. It's great for scoping out rooftops, terrain, and landmarks with photo detail, and switching is just a couple of clicks. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC. Any modern browser works fine: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Head to maps.google.com and let the map load. You don't need to sign in for this. The setting is available to everyone. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the map for the layers control. It typically looks like a small stack of squares and may be labeled layers. This panel is where Google Maps groups different viewing options. If your window is small, the control can appear compact, but it should still sit along the lower left edge of the map. Click Layers to open the options and then choose Satellite. As soon as you select it, the base map switches from the default map view to high-resolution aerial imagery. Roads and place names usually remain visible as an overlay, so you can still navigate and identify locations while viewing the photos. Give the map a moment to load the satellite images. They arrive in tiles, so you'll see them sharpen progressively as your connection fetches the data. On a slower network, panning or zooming may briefly show blurry squares before they resolve. This is normal. Just pause for a second and let the images finish rendering. Depending on your area, you might also notice 3D building shapes or subtle shadows, which come from photogrammetry in certain cities. That's all there is to it. Open Google Maps on your PC, click the Layers control at the bottom left, select Satellite, and wait a moment while the imagery loads. Once you're in satellite view, navigation works the same way as before. So you can drag to move around and use your mouse wheel or on-screen controls to zoom. Image capture dates can vary by region, so what you see may not reflect the most recent changes on the ground. Availability and clarity can vary between urban and rural areas, and the color tone depends on the season or lighting when the photos were taken. If something looks different from reality, it may update in a future imagery refresh. If you ever prefer the simplified map again, the Layers control is the same place you'll use to switch back. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring the world in crisp satellite detail.